Hello class, in today's multimedia project, we will look at the step-by-step tutorials on signing into the free version of Microsoft 365. In our previous static multimedia project, we looked at how to get the free version of Microsoft 365. The difference between today's project and the previous one is that today you will accomplish signing into a free Microsoft 365 by creating your own account. We will first review our starting multimedia project and then proceed to today's project. Okay, so class, now we are going to look at work example of how to log into the free version of Microsoft 365. So first of all, we have to search for Microsoft 365 in any browser. So I did that. I searched for Microsoft365.com, and now we click on this Office 365 login. So when we click on that, we get this interface. So when we have this interface, this is for signing. If you have existing Microsoft account, then you can sign in, or if you want to buy a paid version of Microsoft 365, then you can click this button. But for us, we are going to get a free version, so what we have to do is we have to click sign up for the free version of Microsoft 365. So we click on that and a new interface will be open for us. So an interface like this will open after our search, and it says create account. And here when we look at this, it's asking us for our email address. So I'll go ahead and put my email address over there and do a set the next. So I put in my email address right here and I click on this button next. Here it's requesting us to put our password here, so I'll go in the new interface, say enter the password you would like to use with your account. So I'll go in and put in my password as well. So after putting the password, then you click on next. Now they ask you to register. What country of origin are you in? So when you look at this, I'm in the United States, so I'll maintain this, and the date of birth, I'll select a date of birth, my date of birth that I will use for this, and I will go ahead to register. And the year, I put year over here. Then we click on next. After you have filled all these portions, then you click on next. Here they will send a code, so it's a verify email, so a code will be sent to your email address, the email address that you put in. So you're going to put the code here. So let's go to my email and I'll put the code right here. So I received the email and I have the code, so I'm going to put the code here, 681147. So after putting the code, then I click on the next button, 681147. So I click on next. So they verifying my email. So this is a create account. searching for a while, this says please solve the puzzle so we know you are not a robot. I'll click on next. So I did click on next, and now they want us to change the face of he said use the arrow to rotate the animal to face the direction of the hand. So I try my best to change the direction, and I have it this way. Now so I go back, um, I have it this way, and let me try if it'll work. Very good. So it says verify completed. So now they're asking me to put in my details. So I go in here and I put in my details, and I put my name here. I put my first name, Isaac, and I put my last name. Then I go to next. They say stay signed in. So I click on yes. So after searching for a while, we get this interface, and these are information or privacy issues about your account. Your privacy is our priority, and we have you are in control, your important things. So we read this, and after we reading it and we know that we are okay with it, then we click on continue. So when we click on continue, we wait for it to. So now we can see, welcome to Microsoft 365. We are glad you are here. So we have this. It means that we are in the process of getting it. So we just read this information that we have here and click on this button, and we keep reading. After reading, we click on this button. Now, welcome to our Microsoft 365 interface. Now we are ready to go. We have a new Microsoft 365 version for free. You see free over here. So now we have our Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Teams, and OneNote. So now this is an interface. If you want to write something in Word, you just click on Word and it will open a blank space, and you can use a blank document here. Very nice. And if you don't want that, if you want to use Excel, you click on this Excel sheet, and if you can start a blank workbook, and it will open an Excel sheet for you to start your working. So class, this is how to get Microsoft 365 for free. Thank you for watching.